we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of vretti label maker machine with tape HP6-C Bluetooth label printer. That's include. Organize your home and office easily. This label maker is good helper for organizing home supplies, classifying cosmetics items, price tags, name tags, jewelry tags, jar stickers, kitchen labels, school and office files classification, storage, marking and more. This portable label maker machine ideal for Halloween, Thanksgiving Day, Christmas, and holiday present to child, family and friends. Easy to use, this label maker machine with Bluetooth connection, just download the Easy Label app from Google Play or App Store and open the app and choose model HP6-C. The app included more than 60 plus fonts, 14 plus languages, and 400 plus borders, not support for computer. Customize your own label. The powerful app of the label makers can provide a various of free templates, containing texts, tables, symbols, logos, barcodes, QR codes, images, time, insert Excel, and more. This Bluetooth label maker support for gap label size such as 12x 40 mm, 14x 30 mm, 14x 40 mm, 14x 50 mm and more. It also can be used for continuous label like 15 mm x 7 mm. You can cut the label with cutter easily and design the label you want anytime and anywhere. Pocket size label maker, combinations of compact size and Bluetooth connectivity. This Bluetooth label maker means that they're impressively convenient little devices that you can take the printer to anywhere and anytime. It's slim enough to slip into a pocket, weighs only 150 grams. Inkless label maker machine, vretti Bluetooth label maker using the heat technology, no need for ink or toner, ribbon, save your money and a lot of time. This label maker's built-in durable rechargeable battery, you can use it for a long time. This label maker only print black text. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.